Hello guys, in today's video, I will show you how to open a real bank account on MetaTrader 5. Whether you're completely new to trading or just want to switch from a demo account to a real one, this guide will walk you through every step. So let's dive right in. First thing we need to do is make sure that your MetaTrader 5 app is up to date and running on the best settings. To check this, open your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and go to the app page for MetaTrader 5, Forex Stocks. Here, if you see an update button, click on it to install the latest version. If you don't see an update button, that means your app is already updated, which is perfect. Once you've confirmed that your app is updated, open MetaTrader 5 and it will load up to the quotes section. Here, you can see real-time prices for different instruments, create new orders, and explore other features. However, in this tutorial, we won't be creating new orders just yet because your account is likely still a demo account. From the top left corner of the screen, click the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. You'll see a variety of options here, but the one we want is Manage Accounts. Click the blue Manage Accounts button and you'll see a list of all accounts currently linked to your app. Most of you will only see a demo account for now. Now, if you already have a broker, you can connect your broker to MetaTrader 5 by searching for their name and adding your existing account. This is how you link your real account to the app. If your broker doesn't appear in the list, don't worry. Click Can't Find Your Broker, which will guide you to contact MetaQuote support to ensure your broker can be added. Once your real account is added, it will appear alongside any demo accounts. You can click on it to log in, and this will switch your session from a demo to a real account, allowing you to deposit funds, trade with real money, and access all trading features. You can also add multiple accounts. So if you have accounts with different brokers, they can all be managed from the same app, which is very convenient. A few tips: make sure to double check your login credentials and broker details to avoid any login issues. Also, it's wise to start with a small deposit when you first open a real account, so you can practice trading in a live environment before committing larger amounts. This way, you minimize risk while getting familiar with real trading conditions. You now know how to move from a demo account to a real account on MetaTrader 5 and manage multiple accounts with ease. I hope this tutorial helped you guys. If it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more MetaTrader 5 tutorials and trading tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day and happy trading.